Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has enough power and a live Bluetooth link to your phone. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings on the watch or the companion app on your phone if your model relies on it. This is the most reliable entry point. Once inside, find Date and Time or System Settings. Don't skip straight to Network Options yet. You're initiating the authoritative source for time, and this sets up the next, precise step. Now decide between automatic network time and manual setting. Automatic pulls from the phone or cellular network and stays accurate, while manual gives exact control when needed. If you pick manual, input hour and minute, select AM or PM if relevant, then set the correct time zone. This prevents hour shifts. Make sure to enable or verify daylight saving adjustments or a GMT offset. This avoids recurring errors if you travel or during seasonal changes. Finish by saving changes and forcing a sync. Use the companion app sync command or restart the watch to apply settings. Then verify across watch faces, alarms, and calendar entries to confirm the time propagates everywhere. If the time is still wrong, try toggling airplane mode, unpairing and repairing the phone, or installing the latest firmware. These steps resolve mismatched system clocks. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer, but usually resyncing or a firmware update fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.